Underwater mining. Valuable mineral and organic formations of the Earth's crust are gradually running low. In just a few decades, it will be impossible to extract minerals on land. However, that doesn't mean that there's nothing to be done. The fact is that there are many things left to discover in the depths of the world's oceans. Including completely new, untouched sources of minerals, ores, and other raw materials. That is why many companies are already producing underwater mining equipment. For example, Nautilus Minerals, a company based in Vancouver, Canada. It was the first company to explore the seabed in search of potential sources of copper, gold, silver, and other materials. Especially for this purpose, engineers from the UK-based Soil Machine Dynamics have developed this unique underwater machine. These are 3 different tracked robots. The first machine is designed to level the working benches, while the other one is used for deposit opening. Finally, the third one lifts the sludge to the ground. We'd also like to highlight the auxiliary cutter. Its main feature is a dual cutter head attached to a long rotary beam. This equipment is used to form a level ground for the future quarry. In other words, it cuts off all the roughness of the underwater terrain. Power grid maintenance. When it comes to the maintenance of utility poles, the working conditions can vary greatly. In a city, roads are usually flat and paved. However, if you have to fix power grids in the countryside or in rural areas, the situation is exactly the opposite. Here, for example, the team is forced to work in harsh off-road conditions. The unpaved roadway seems like an insuperable obstacle, but not with this kind of specialized equipment. To be more precise, 2 units of equipment that work together. The first, more important element is the Panther T16 tracked vehicle. It has an amazing 15-ton payload. It's intended for transporting other machines such as excavators, seed drills, and cranes. Such transporters are very useful in situations where smaller machines can't travel to the working site on their own. In this case, the Panther T16 is transporting a crane. Foundation construction. Usually the foundation of a building is a huge concrete structure, which goes slightly into the ground. However, there is such a thing as a deep foundation. The fact is that the ground is not always able to withstand the weight of a massive building. If the soil is not suitable for construction, laying any foundation other than deep foundation will sooner or later lead to undesirable contraction. That's why the foundation is laid very deep underneath the topsoil to provide the best support. Deep foundation construction is a complex and expensive procedure though. It is carried out with the help of this special equipment. You're looking at the LB44510 rotary drilling rig. It's optimally designed for drilling using different technologies. This model is the most powerful of the Liebherr series of drilling rigs. It weighs 155 tons and makes holes up to 92 meters deep in the ground. The maximum diameter of the drilling slot is 3 meters. The machine was developed by top-class specialists. As a result, it guarantees high productivity, even if the conditions on the construction site are harsh. The model is also cost-effective and can be operated continuously for a long time without losing its durability. The drilling rig can be easily moved between construction sites as well. The quick mounting system makes it possible to start working as fast as possible. Road repairing. Highways in large cities are always subjected to enormous loads. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, cars travel on the road. Precipitation, cold, engine oil, chemicals, all this additionally damages the asphalt, making it necessary to repair it. But here's another problem. The repair must be done in the shortest possible time. Otherwise, blocking a large busy highway can have a negative impact on the road situation in the whole city. Right now you can watch how one of the longest highways in Europe is repaired. It's located near Berlin. To carry out the repair work, Joseph Vergeler's professional equipment is used. Overall, it was necessary to replace the asphalt of 3 4.2-kilometer long highway lanes. The main difficulty of the project was that the new pavement had to be laid in a continuous layer without visible joints. Its width was 15.5 meters. There are only a few machines in the world capable of handling such a complex task. One of them was used in this project, the Super 3002 crawler paver. Amazingly, this machinery is capable of laying asphalt in a continuous 16-meter wide layer. Snow removing. Machinery designed to maintain runways in the cold season is always subject to strict requirements. The fact is that snow removal should be carried out in the shortest possible time to avoid runways standing idle and airlines suffering losses. Besides, the equipment must do a perfect job because people's lives depend on the condition of the runways. Airport maintenance services have nothing to worry about if they have these amazing snow cutters. This is the Invention TV1000. It has an aerodynamic design, an eco-friendly engine, and is technologically advanced. The special equipment has a large amount of built-in lighting too, which increases safety when working in the dark. The Invention TV1000 is designed to work even in difficult conditions. The machine is able to remove a 2-meter thick layer of snow. Logging. The last machine we want to show you today is meant for logging. As a rule, one machine copes with several tasks at once, like trunk felling, limb removing, sawing, and sorting. The machine that you see on the screen has the most consistent characteristics. This is the Scorpion King by the Finnish company Ponsse. The machine has excellent performance and it's very popular on the global market. It's noteworthy that the model was awarded for its innovative design and technology. The Scorpion King is designed to work even in difficult conditions. An advanced active stabilization system ensures that the operator's cab is always in its original position. 8 enormous wheels give the machine high cross-country ability as well. The harvester head offers an optimal balance between productivity and reliability, and of course, pay attention to the unique geometry of the boom arm. It doesn't obstruct the operator's view and ensures the machine's balance.